welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of coastal living room ideas that will transform your space into a serene seaside retreat. You know I love taking inspiration from nature, and there's something so peaceful and inviting about bringing the coast into your home, even if you're miles from the ocean. It's all about creating a light, airy, and refreshing atmosphere that makes you feel like you're on a permanent vacation. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, settle in, and get ready to be inspired to create your own coastal haven. Coastal living room decor is all about capturing the essence of the beach. Think soft, calming colors, natural textures, and light, airy furnishings. It's about creating a space that feels both relaxed and elegant, like a luxurious beach house where you can kick off your shoes and unwind. Imagine stepping into a room filled with the soft hues of sand and seafoam, accented by natural wood and woven textures. Picture comfy sofas draped in linen throws, inviting you to curl up with a good book and the sound of the waves playing in your mind. That's the magic of coastal decor. It transports you to a place of tranquility and peace. It's about embracing the beauty of imperfection, like weathered wood and seashells, and incorporating them into your design to create a space that's both stylish and soulful. And the best part? You can achieve this look no matter where you live. Whether you're in a beach bungalow or a city apartment, coastal decor can transform your living room into a serene escape. Now, let's talk about color schemes. Choosing the right colors is key to setting the coastal mood in your living room. Think soft, muted tones inspired by the beach, like sandy beige, ocean blue, seafoam green, and coral. These colors evoke a sense of calm and serenity, creating the perfect backdrop for relaxation. Imagine your living room bathed in the soft glow of a sunrise over the ocean, or the calming hues of a twilight beach walk. Don't be afraid to mix and match different shades within the same color family to add depth and visual interest. You can also incorporate pops of brighter colors like coral or turquoise in your throw pillows, rugs, or artwork to create a more vibrant and playful feel. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious and balanced palette that feels both refreshing and inviting. So have fun playing with different color combinations until you find the perfect one that speaks to your personal style. One of the hallmarks of coastal design is the use of natural materials and textures. Think weathered wood, rattan, jute, linen, and cotton. These materials add a touch of rustic charm and organic warmth to your space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Imagine a beautiful, chunky coffee table made from reclaimed wood, its knots and imperfections telling a story of time spent under the sun and salt air. Picture woven baskets filled with cozy throws, or a jute rug grounding the room with its natural texture. These natural elements not only look beautiful but also feel amazing to the touch, adding a sensory element to your decor. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures to create a layered and visually interesting look. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels connected to nature and invites you to relax and unwind. Now comes the fun part. Accessorizing is where you can really let your personality shine and bring those coastal vibes to life. Think seashells, coral, driftwood, model sailboats, or even vintage nautical maps. These pieces add a touch of whimsy and personality to your space, reminding you of happy memories spent by the sea. Imagine a collection of seashells artfully arranged on a bookshelf, each one a unique treasure found on a beach walk. Picture a beautiful piece of coral displayed on your coffee table, adding a pop of color and organic texture. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. You can even create your own coastal-inspired artwork by framing pressed seaweed or creating a gallery wall with your favorite beach photos. Remember, the key is to choose pieces that speak to you and bring you joy. After all, your home should reflect your personal style and passions. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right ambiance in any room, and your coastal living room is no exception. Think light, airy, and inviting, just like a day at the beach. Maximize natural light by keeping your windows unobstructed and opting for sheer curtains that allow the sunshine to stream in. During the evening, layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting glow. Imagine a beautiful chandelier made from capiz shells, casting a soft, shimmering light across your living room. Picture strategically placed table lamps with linen shades, creating cozy pools of light for reading and relaxation. Don't forget about the magic of candlelight. A few strategically placed candles, especially those with ocean-inspired scents, can instantly create a serene and relaxing atmosphere. So there you have it, a few of my favorite ideas for transforming your living room into a coastal haven. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels light, airy, and refreshing. A place where you can truly relax and unwind. Don't be afraid to get creative, incorporate your own personal style, and have fun with it. After all, the most important thing is that your home feels like your own personal sanctuary. Thanks for watching.